Imagine you're holding a prism that reveals infinite possibilities, but it only works when you dare to look inside. Until then, everything flickers, unshaped and waiting. But here's the catch. The moment you look, you're not just observing, you're changing it forever. You're trapped in a quantum paradox, caught in a world where reality cannot exist without you, and yet no matter what you do, you'll never see the whole truth. In the early 20th century, one experiment changed our understanding of reality forever: the double slit experiment. It revealed a shocking truth. Particles, the tiny building blocks of the universe, don't behave the way we expect. When no one is watching, they act like waves, exploring all possible paths at once. But the moment someone observes them, they collapse into just one path. Reality, it seems, doesn't make up its mind until we force it to. This phenomenon is called wave-particle duality. Particles such as electrons behave both as waves, like ripples on water, and as particles when observed collapsing into a single point. So if reality depends on observation, what role do we play in shaping the world around us? Let's take a closer look. Now here's where the mystery deepens. The observer effect suggests that by simply watching, we're not just seeing reality. We're changing it. Every glance, every moment of observation forces the universe to make a decision, collapsing infinite possibilities into one definite outcome. So here's the paradox. When we bring one version of reality into focus, we lock away all the other possibilities. This concept of infinite possibilities is called quantum superposition. It means particles exist in all possible states until something forces them to choose. Schrödinger's famous thought experiment brings this to life. The cat inside a sealed box. Until you look, the cat isn't just alive or dead, it's both. The act of opening the box traps you in one reality, while every other outcome disappears forever. Quantum superposition articulately describes this duality, the ability for something to exist in multiple states at once until observed. So if particles exist in infinite potential, what does that mean for us? The many worlds interpretation suggests that every decision creates a new parallel universe, where every version of you lives out a different outcome. Meanwhile, the simulation hypothesis raises an even bigger question. What if reality itself is more like a video game with the universe being the operating system, only rendering what's necessary when we observe it? Could the universe be waiting for us to look before loading? And if reality really can exist in infinite forms, what happens to the paths we don't choose? Are they truly gone or just waiting, hidden in a dimension we'll never reach? So every time you observe, you collapse the infinite into just one reality. It hasn't taken a solid form until we observe it. Our observation traps it. The more we try to understand, the clearer it becomes. We're shaping reality and creating possibilities with every glance, every measurement. But we're also limiting it, forever locking ourselves into one version of the truth. What if the clarity we crave is blinding us to the infinite wonders we may never see? So, what does it really mean to be trapped in a quantum paradox? It means living in a universe that depends on us to exist, but never reveals its full truth. Every time we observe, we choose one reality at the cost of countless others. And if reality only exists when we look, what happens when no one is watching? Is the universe simply waiting? Or does it vanish into nothingness, leaving behind an infinite void of untapped potential? Quantum mechanics is revealing a universe far stranger than anything we could have ever imagined. It's a world where every observation creates reality, and infinite possibilities remain locked away. If this journey into the unknown has made you question everything, then always remember that curiosity is the key to discovery. In this quantum paradox, every choice you make locks in a truth, but leaves infinity forever unseen. So do you think reality exists without us? Or is it waiting for someone to look? Let's discuss this in the comments below. Subscribe and join us as we uncover the universe's deepest mysteries together.